Hi friends, welcome back. Today we have a new class based on online payment integration. This is a website where I need a payment gateway. So friends, what I do, first of all, I have to get some information based on that. So Insta Mojo payment gateway is the very famous. I have to get that. So first of all, I have done all things, but I'm just giving you here how you do. So here, this is the link which I shall provide you. From this you can download the all the files that I have already here. So friends, through this link, what you do, you can paste this link, okay, and for getting online payment files, you have to copy this, and or you may get the link from our videos. So you will paste above, okay. As you paste it, so this will load down the file as the address that is in Google Drive. So after getting this, you can download as it is here. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. But here you have, now I can see this address on the download folder. I found this file, okay. This is to be extracted as the location wherever you need to download it, okay. So as I have, this is the XAMPP folder where here it is. No, this is, yeah, this is the HDoc where I have this Insta. Okay, on the payment folder I can put it, okay. Now this will be extracted, okay. Now that address I have to get, or this sort modification required, because all things are already done. So it's the easier way how you can integrate your website. So here I have the folder where I have downloaded the files. Now friend, see what I have to do. There is Insta Mojo website, okay. Insta Mojo, that is payment gateway, but here I am telling you the most important is test, okay. This is testing, not exact, okay. So you have to put your email here to make your login, as I have already. So I'm gonna to do login from here. So here with the Google I can log in, okay. So testing is a method that you could understand how in the future you could integrate your website for selling any services or the goods. Here I have on the dashboard some payments are already, 2 payments have been yet done, okay. And here the information of the most important API, that API, as well as second one is the token authentication and the solve. They are very important plugins for your website to be connected, or we can say integrated. So friends, keep in mind these are the keys which you have to put on those files which I have already given you with the link, okay. So here how we put these files, I can do it with the any of the editor. I can open the particular files. Here you have to go see your address and the payment are these, where webhook, this is webhook is very important file, where you have to change 2 things. Number 1, you have to change this API, okay. This I have already copied here from my, change this salt, and this is my email, that Insta Mojo I have created. This is my email that I have put there also. Okay, so these both you have to change, else nothing there is to change. Only two things you can change. Okay, here you could go with the particular file, and you see that's the address, as you could see here is the payment. Okay, so this is opening. I can change somehow, as I have already opened this payment file, the second file. Okay, what you have to change here, you have to change this API, that as you see this is looking different. Okay, this is what is it in here, test this address, whatever the test is first. Okay, that's it, the key, API key, which you have to paste here. And the second one is authentication token. Okay, this should be pasted next. Okay, this I have already pasted. And the further is that the address, which is test.instamojo. Keep in mind here the test means is only testing website. Okay, so you easily can do the way how you can integrate. So friends, here you have one more thing to change, the address of your website. It cannot be with localhost, so you need your website address as the domain. And last, the files, two files, these are, you have to add thank you as well as this webhook. Okay, the both files you have to add afterward this address. Okay, and now while doing this all, I can go to that address where I have integrated as a test. Okay, so I type here the address in 3, and so I get these all. Okay, these are already given by the Instamojo. I have not done yet, I have just given some keys. Okay, so this is the easiest way to integrate. These all files whatsoever you are seeing this folder, I have uploaded through my that of any FileZilla or whatsoever you use. I have uploaded to my particular address. That is the, as you know that how you can host your website and you can upload your files, the same I have uploaded, and this is the output to me. Okay, so friend, now you have the way how you use these all items, how you purchase. As you click, okay, or somebody clicks on that, so you get these all. Okay, how is the process going on? And here we have the changement on the payment file we have done, but here we have the on the address, you see order. On the order file, what we have, let us see. On the order file we have these things. Okay, so it doesn't look like to change anything there. Okay, so that you can put as it is, but the further we can check that we have to change somehow on the thank you phase. Okay, here we have to change, as we have been changed already before, two keys, that the API keys as well as authentication. So this is the way that how we could change both, as well as the last you see there is a testing address. This is thank you phase. Okay, this all about what you have to do, and you get your integration final as testing. Okay friends, here you keep in mind that the testing payment is a very beautiful process. Here I have the website from which I have tried this and linked it. The few things have been changed. I hope you have been kept in mind and you'll not forget that. Now how somebody can come in my website and sell. So let's see, suppose the person name we type here as a customer, he comes to my website and he watches there the list of things, and he wants to purchase, just like he has been selected that of one item as the cost 100 rupees, and within the prices whatsoever the website price they are adding on, and that become this, and he puts the details as name and phone number and email. So this is very interesting that the each item that we can hold, but the thing is we even can modify that according to our website. Oh, here's an error. Phone number, I think some data has been incorrectly put here. So okay, so let's see here, we can change the phone number, this 10 number 10. Okay, so now I can click 105. The 5 rupees are extra charge on that, we know as a Mojo, I think that is getting it as a taxes as well. Here is the payment page where we have seen that most of the websites are having this. So let me click on debit and see here it is asking for the card number and whatsoever. Okay, so I think you already know, well, you are familiar. So for testing, keep in mind that 2424242424, this is I'm putting here, and let me check it looking at my okay, so testing is this is wrong. Okay, now 42. Okay, 424242, these are key. You can test other numbers, but I think this is given by the Mojo. Okay, so 101, that is key. Here is no, this is date, and this is here. I have to change this to, and maybe exactly I don't know what was that. Maybe yeah, let me put here to 20. That's running, so that's good. Now here is 111 and 11. Okay, and now here I go, I put here this will load it. I think here the password was testing password 1221. Okay, you can test with it. 1221, I think that I remaining. Okay, 1221. CV was 111 and this was 121. That's given for test. Okay, so here it is. We click on submit, and this file goes. Yeah, that's great. I got the final as the thank you page. Okay, and here is the address of the Mojo payment system, as in here it is the ID of the payment as well as the listing file. From this file, lot of data are given that I even can store my database. Okay, and even lot of things are there that displayed. Even I can modify according to my importance. Okay, so friends, it looks so beautiful and easier way. Within a small time you can integrate the things with your website. I hope you'll enjoy, you'll do it, and you'll get benefit. And the small charge you have to pay for the InstaMojo, that's I don't think, as you know, that is I have seen on my page a few payments were before done, so small charge they're giving. Yeah friend, if suppose that payment is done, so I got email, even the things are alerted to me, there is email has been given, 2 mails are there. Yeah, 100 rupees costed me 105 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, that there means these are extra charge, and here it is all the successful. So that looks so beautiful. Here it is the same price, you see that 105 and 75. So even the same here it is, I got it on my email. Okay friends, this is the way how we can integrate our website. And so this all about this is for the testing, is not exactly, you have to also create your ID on instamojo.com. test.com for the real work. Okay, test, remove that test and you'll get it. So as you know, after removing or checking, you can see and watch. I hope you got something and you understood how you can. The most common thing is that we have few things to change, and as you go to real Mojo website, so you will get again another APIs, and there you can modify the same APIs as you have already I have discussed here. Okay, first you will create your ID on the testing website, and then you will create your email ID on the real Mojo website. Okay, and here you'll get exactly whatsoever you need. As you see here, my Mojo ID now, that is Insta Mojo exact ID, where from I'll get real payments. So this is all about, and here still no any kind of payment still on dashboard, and API are given here. They are not with test. You could see the first there's no test added, but here it was the Mojo, that was the test. Okay, and so this all about, friends. Now I think you understand all the thing, and you could go back to your self task whatsoever you have, and you can check out how we can try this all up. Okay.